Okay, hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, I have a small haul and I didn't want to put anything away unless I showed you first. So let's jump to it. Okay, so I did go shopping at my local grocery store, and for me, it's Giant Foods. So let's see, I picked up some bagels, and this is the onion flavor. So we got one of these. Then I got some large eggs, so I needed to get 2 of those. Okay, we cook a lot of eggs here, so. And I have my Keto Snacks here, my low carb stuff. So this is by ratio, keto, and then the flavors toasted almond. I usually get the granola in this bag, which I'll show you when I get down the line here. So these are the bars, so I just noticed these, so I picked these up. These are great to keep in my bag for when I get hungry. Picked up one of these, and I'm not gonna lie, these things are expensive. So this was like $8 or $9, I don't know. The crackers were like $2.98. So these are good to have on hand when you feel a little bit hungry, but you don't want anything sweet. Grab a couple of crackers, some water or lemon water. Yeah, and this works good. I like these. They taste pretty good. So I got 2 of these. And again, well, who makes this? It just says fat snack, almond flour crackers. And yeah, I think that's who makes it. Okay. So now here, my snacks haven't really come in. I usually like the rings and the red fish. They haven't had those in, but they had the Gummy Bear. Like I said, this is like made with stevia, organic stevia. Grab 2 little packets of these to keep in my bag. My bag is pretty full, guys. Okay. So we grabbed, what did I say this was? 5 pounds. Yeah, 5 pounds of the tater tot bags, because I got 2 boys at home. Okay, so we got one of those. Let me move closer. Okay, so we can never have too many hash browns. So we have a bag of tater tots over here and some hash browns here. And these go pretty quickly, guys. Now this is what I was talking about. So I love the granola for when I'm having yogurt. I even have this, a little bit of this in a bowl with almond milk. This makes good cereal too if you like that crunch. And like I said, I was really happy that I found these snack bars. Oh my goodness, I love this. So we got 2 of the granola. And then I wanted to try some jalapeno poppers. So I got a bag of these hotties. Okay, they're jalapenos and they're hot. You got one of those. Then I got a family size Chex Mix. This one is traditional. And then I got the smaller one, which is the honey nut. So this is for my son's snack. Now, I got 2 bags of the family size Mrs. T's Pierogies Classic Onion. So this is something quick they can have when they get hungry. Very easy to make. So like I said, 2 of those. Then I got 1 bag of the mozzarella, shredded mozzarella. I think this is part skim. I wanted to get the whole milk, but this is low moisture. No, it just says low moisture. Okay, so I got 1 bag of the shredded mozzarella cheese. And then I got 5 of the 2 Goods vanilla yogurt. I like it vanilla because then I can flavor it like I like. This is the yogurt that I have it for snacking. Okay. Okay, 1 small can of the breakfast blend coffee. And My son likes the hot buffalo red hot wing sauce, so we have a backup bottle over there. I figured I'd get him another one. And then, so I use the Duke's Mayo. I used to use Hellmann's, but the Duke's Mayo has no sugar, so I use this and it tastes just as good. One of those. I don't think it has sugar. Let me make sure. Nope, no sugar. So the other mayos, you got to check the back label because sometimes they do have sugar, but the Duke's Mayo is really good for low carb. And then I got just like 6 cans of the refried beans. Again, this is something that's really quick for my son to cook. So we got 6 of the store brand of those. And then I started back with the tuna. So I like the Starkist solid white in water. I just grabbed 2 cans of those. So that's pretty much all I got for this quick little shopping trip. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Click that like button. I'll see you in the next one.